Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit on Global Prime. And for this, I will show you this at Bitcoin to US dollar. And what we need to do from here is select right here, new order. Then from here, we select the volume that we want to create for ourselves, the position. So this is fine. And now the only thing that you need to do right here is click here on take profit. So now we can throw this line to where we want, or we can fill in right here. So let's say he needs to take the profit at 72K. And then if we zoom out, you will see right here that the line is a little bit higher. But this is how you can set up your take profit. Then right now, if you click here on buy by market and we scroll down, you will find right here that we created ourselves a position at this price. And at TP, take profit, he will take our profit at 72K. And that means that he will close our trade automatically and will take the profit that we made. That we make. But this is exactly how you can take profit on Global Prime. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.